Ever found yourself in the midst of a wardrobe wallen, wondering if there's a secret code to cracking the chaos? Well, my friends, join me on a journey as we unveil the magic behind transforming your closet from chaos to order. I've been there to a closet resembling a fashion hurricane, but fear not, because I discovered the key to unraveling this wardrobe mystery. One day, a question lingered in my mind: can a few hacks truly bring serenity to this fashion frenzy? The answer, my friends, lies within the sacred scrolls of wardrobe wisdom. Chapter 1: The Great Purge. Bid farewell to the fashion relics of the past. Let your wardrobe breathe, and only keep what sparks joy. Chapter 2: The Sorting Symphony. Categorize your clothing like a maestro. From shirts to shoes, each piece plays a unique note in the melody of organization. Chapter 3: Zen to Zen. Embrace the vertical frontier with hooks and shelves. Your closet is not just a horizontal canvas, it's a three-dimensional masterpiece waiting to happen. Chapter 4: Storage Alchemy. Turn everyday storage items into magic potions. Organizers, baskets, and beans, all part of the sorcery that keeps clutter at bay. The journey was transformative, no longer lost in the sea of clothes, but standing triumphant in the kingdom of organized fashion. Now, dear viewers, before you embark on your own wardrobe odyssey, remember the enchanted words that bind us together. Like, subscribe, and share your own wardrobe tales in the comments below. Let's create a community of organized dreamers. Until next time, my fellow wardrobe adventurers.